Ooh, morning people. I Wagwan Vlikity Vlurgen. Day, I call it day 4 because we finished up day 3 yesterday. I just call it day 4 of shooting. I waiting in the morning to get some food, We reach home about 1 o'clock last night. And then wake up about 8. So do the maths. But I worry still, so I think I get enough sleep. We're supposed to start 10 o'clock today. If all goes according to plan, and then I don't know, we progress on there. 2 scenes for me today. After the beginning scene and a pick up from a scene from yesterday. So that I go on. Or what I go on. I think if there's nothing else we want to eat for here right now, but I don't think so. We just have to wait to get some food and have some juicy breakfast someday. We proceed to the first location, which is up the road from where we there. Up so. Sunday today, so the road is kind of clear. We're supposed to have a whole lot of traffic car. We are shoot on the road, so if the road clear and we can shoot quick and fast. And, yeah, but we're business to the next location. When you reach us on the road, it a trips a while go on. When I shoot movies, it take a lot, But I don't think I would prefer it no other way. It's kind of nice to just move around, go from location to location, and just do what I do, Enjoy the filming aspect of it. I don't know how I go on the camera now. Focus always goes so good. The link on the bottom. My young boy them around the back, so I think I'm going to shoot some scenes today. So. And I watch phone. First setting video. There's most of the shots that we have are just like finishing up shots from before. Or yeah, I think finishing up shots from before. So we'll finish up the street shot from the first day when we did compound set. I would did there right on a little car over there, so yeah, man. Man, them good? Use them on the turf. Right, so with a block off road and them thing there, so I finish up that. Sitting by me for me hand. And it scratch me. Hey man, they be nice, Hey man. When they reach me, I come back and come leave a man. And they be nice one. And the little community them. Especially little uptown turf them. Nice, you see? I make some money for Sunny. Come build a nice little house. As usual, you have people who are top and look at they don't know what go on every. I think we are go back at the church where we did there yesterday. I think, I'm not 100. Whoever bite me hat. Man, scratch me. So we're supposed to go back at the church. I think, I'm not sure. So let's go and take in some of the views from the 6. I'm not really 6, I'm on level. Sorry. We seem to be moving to a different location right now, guys. So let's just try along with the squad and see what is going on at the moment.
Alright, what you do this? Let me go white and come in. Sorry, guys. Yeah, oh, we're done. We're done. Alright, please come pick me up. Yo, can you know something?
I really think if you're not really do the you're not gonna get the contrast out there. I start flat and then about the principal lines are young. Alright, Miguel in corner. Take one, action. Take one, action. Alright, cut, don't move. Keep. Just take that the piece and run it. You got on the head now? Yeah. Speed. Record with this too.
Speeding.
Miguel crying with socks in corner, take one, action. Action.
I'm a criminal.
That's a corrupt. That's a corrupt agent.
I'm a criminal. A criminal. I just you are a criminal. He's a criminal. Oh my God.
Protege is a criminal, man.
Can I send him a phone call?
Alright guys, quiet on set.
Quiet.
Recording, speeding.
What you still doing?
Speeding.
Alright, officers, CPS, take one, action.
I need my phone call. I'm entitled to a phone call. I need my phone call, Sergeant Miles. And your partner standing there thinking that she's cute.
I switch clothes, you know.
But still enough.
We go shoot.
Bro.
Back on it.
What?
Me tell them about the mix, right?
Oh yeah, we're done. So me back in there too. Ready.
Just never like it back.
Alright.
Like that.
That may be with
Right? That's just a distaste
Cause,
in my
so I was watching the stream coming down, and you see down at the bottom of the plane, click on the plane, and it's shop. So we click on shop. I'm gonna say wait.
200 US, brother.
Brother,
200 US.
I have to be fast enough. Yeah, listen. So we
No, yeah, that's how I got the thing. I say, boy, I do things, man. Money soon come, man. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself at all, mama. I don't know if me give you a little intro to the party, so, but just wrap up the second scene for the day.
When are going at the back on the one charger? Right, everybody are going to send one.
So we are go 3 now. We're done for the day, right? Also?
Done for the day?
Well, me.
Yeah, you were done for the day.
I'm done for the day. Yeah, so we move to another place, you know. We'll go on the football field, shoot some scenes. So you can relax now and chill. You know, high time is done. It's alright, man. I'm find it cool. A jiggy. Nice like a floor right in so. As you know, see the little scenes that we show on them. So we'll probably have some more scenes to do later on in the night. But with that said, like how I done, I go probably link up with my brethren called Diesel. You see me? The girl them Diesel, a joke. The man married. A good youth. So I go link up with him because he link me out say yo, them I make a mad trad. So I go page him. I tell him to come link me. Yeah, I do that. Here, I just remember something, so I go find out. Because if you see them connect, I go find out what go on. Because they change shirt at a point where if the scenes connect, you would look weird. So I find out what go on for associate. But anything, the next time I see me, probably link up with Kali them, is it? Yeah man, alright, boom, gone.